Using this in like a newer program that you're kind of just getting used to could be kind of helpful, especially something like Adobe Premiere Pro, where it's a really complicated interface and there's a lot that goes on there. Sometimes it takes a while to go and like find out what you should even search to ask the right question on Google or on YouTube to fix things like that. Let's say instead I was going to use Adobe Premiere Pro and I had some questions about that. Let's try that out. So I can select my window. I'll say share, make sure my microphone's on. Hey, so I accidentally messed up my interface here. I'm new to Premiere Pro and I want to just reset this so that the interface, like the layout, looks the way it did when I first started that. How do I do that?
To reset the layout of Adobe Premiere Pro to its original state, you can go to Window in the top menu, then select Workspaces, and finally choose Reset to Saved Layout. Would you like me to repeat these steps?
No, that was great. Now, how do I import media?
To import media, you can either drag and drop files into the project panel, or you can click the Import Media button.
Which one's the project panel?
The project panel is the one labeled Project Test Project in the bottom left corner. It looks like you already have it open.
Is my mouse hovering over it right now?
Gotcha. Now, do you want to select the Import Media button or drag and drop the...
Wait, is my mouse hovering over it? Yes or no?
Oh, I apologize. It looks like your mouse is at the top of the screen, near the metadata button. Do you want to select the...
Okay, what about now? Now is my mouse hovering over it?
Yes, I can see it now. It's hovering over the Import Media button. Would you like to click it?
All right, so again, that was fairly successful. I have to say that